so many places. Kerala. Just understand that you are the responsible. You are not. You know. You are the responsible. All of you are. See, this is what our actions and everything our energy balance is something. It will counter it. What are the human actions in this way? Everything. Okay. Anyway, this kind of serious chance that I don't understand anything. See, I didn't tell any time. It is the absolute truth. And I have clear cut cross credit to it. So if people are getting what after when that hard reality is getting there is not a problem. The people, the devils will come and because that devils want to hide the crimes, they will come and screw up and utilize this as a chance. They will always believe that truthful way only can be confidently to come out permanently from this side the attacks and then targeted. But you need to understand now people also the cost of things and they go doing the big and always understand that it's all fellows were there clear also. Okay. So actually I'm not against you, but the fellows attack very dear attack. They know that how different one need to come out and not only the BJP lobby who are afraid of me and the Congress doubles actually get their afraid. Everybody wants to keep you in the big circle. So everybody only was competing to hold you down also. It is new to understand. That's it. They couldn't get it. I just said they will come up. That's the thing. They are frustration. I didn't have truth to live on. Everybody has that. Second, I actually start getting a good health game. Yesterday, finally, everybody is saying to that what title I told it about the person is minimum manners and culture. So the education matters. Also, see, way I am telling you, at least have some, you have on your own side. Okay? Yesterday you have seen how drastically the Wayanad is out. So these all things, why? Because we are against the nature. At the time, this balance is getting shattered and it is coming. Okay? See, just for one sucking that prostitute, because that's how many lives they are telling that some now 297 something count, but reality will be more than 500 because nobody have the count that how many people are living there, right? That's it. So also this cost census and this and nothing, there are more reliability because this now see all another thing. See, one thing what Modi wanted to do anything, but he wanted to do show off and take benefit because everything, all the constructions everywhere, this new parliament building and all that Ayodhya Mandir and these all construction, airports, inaugurations, everything he have done in a fast-paced way in a short period to get so that he should get the benefit of in the election. Also the another thing, see, these all processes, if we are doing the construction, everything has each construction, each process for setting also structure some time. Even the concrete, that cement, these all join and also there is some time. These fellows have done everything in the fast-paced way. So that's what the proper that timing that is not made in. That's also another thing. Their aim was only to show at the election. So that was the target. That's the reason these all are leaking and everything is failing. Okay. So don't blame purposefully blindly on them because see, they have at least tried to do the thing in the first place. But this is the thing. Actually, this is the engineering, the proper way we should have the real knowledge. Actually, this Pushpa kind of culture, they don't have any knowledge. Actually, they are just only money-minded to grab publication, culture, this kind of attitude. This is what to take. So here, see, the same way the railway accidents and all, these all are, we need a structural reform, foundational reform in India. These all greedy politicians, Congress has all the culture, not any eligibility or anything, money, everybody's research to cut and coming to cut and throw. That's what it has to do. So actually, see, if you are sticking to that game, you will give any back. That's all it is going to happen. Okay, so everywhere we tolerate everything because these all things, these natural calamities, disasters, because see, we should not do act against. We should take care of Mother Earth. We should be thankful what she is offering. So our construction also should be to neutralize the balance of rhythm of that energy balance. Okay, it should not be to counter it. The same way this climate, this I am looking nowadays how much burning means the humidity, how much it is, how the people, actually the many people are in the road and all. I wonder how they are traveling. See, for some months it will be this humidity, this hot. So now suddenly the winter will start and the spring cold. These all, how much clothes, how many things this semester start, so many things. This are now how actually the pollution, why this is pollution? Because it is not that crowded place, Delhi, but then how come this much pollution, this much? There is a natural imbalance. Also there are not much industries comparing to other cities. So then how? Actually there is some serious climate change, there is some factor behind this. We have to do a thorough study and this one. For this one now, even the scientists are doing independent study, they will not let, they are all victims of the internal politics. See, what people are seeing is the same way, internal politics and pulling the down, pulling the leg down and dry down and this kind of. Actually, most of the thing, the who are all got into the Indian education system, this in IIT, Indian process also. We have studied in all IIT. Using the fees already, he's not knowing anything. That's the thing. With their limited knowledge, these fellows will try to jealous ego, try to dominate, control everybody and pull the others like down. The same thing, not only he is actually okay, there are many processes like that also. There are many people, everywhere there is politics, this get dirty politics, but in the Western this is not this much voice. Okay. So that's the reason one thing. See, when I mailed these all things, here in India, even if I am mailing to all the these all fellows, eventually they will follow everybody and there is the thing there. But don't otherwise. The Western, they are not like this. In UK, how they act. This is the thing. There is a difference in the perspective of the people. Okay. Who are not doing any work and incapable fellows and it's around like this is Malayali very talented. Most of year I met most of the Malayali everybody is not having, I don't understand why these fellows are getting elected. And none of them have any courage or confidence. That's what everybody wants. I will be shattered. Everybody is competing to visit the they will come out from this kind of drama things. We are not something to entertain like that. Okay, so be ready to do the contrary things and which see we can only through that way you can win and through this fellows want to, because way they are the world is the intelligence, so they can keep you as a puppet and to play a role. You would want to power these kind of things and they will not going to work out. Okay, so that's the thing. So actually see that's what the see on scientific study, see that United Democratic Scientific Alliance that will work out, because that's the way it should, because these all things it's high time we should revamp otherwise reschedule the flow. That's the thing. So don't get excited, don't have some focus. Okay, and don't get actually see these all things they will support everybody now, they will, because their aim is to continue control the power and once they are making and so that they can do and this is what the US even in IIT, even if he is going to the top authorities, none of them will sanction it because everybody is fed up with it. That's what his frustration for power. If some getting some power, what rashness will do like that and all. This is another genetic disorder. This kind of fellows should not be entertained. Also, so some fellows are giving to offers and for going and giving the offers. But that kind of fellows only always has to yield under the trap and that's another thing. What are the place these fellows are doing? People are not knowing the consequences and some culture or ego attitude and kind of commented. Actually, there are many quality people also there. I have interacted with many people. many quality educated, they are straightforward people. That's all. You have to gather everybody like that. It's not like you can't evaluate to some take up to this kind of things. And you have common sense. How many times you are becoming like a dumb playful of actually? See, even though these fellows are blocking everything, and you can make a call and all that. And I think there are that is matters. And how we are getting with some water and we will not let that get to be added by this kind of culture. Only you first. Okay, that's the treatment you get. When it is feeling also don't think that this since I told her so that is a blessing in you that she wants. Okay, so don't get I don't understand you. These all dolls are involved in that people. This is the main focus of the people. This is the thing that how they are describing into the narrative. Some cost to comments. These are the things that Lok Sabha is doing that some creative some psychic disorder. When somebody recognize slap and throw it. When they are allowed, the people are dying for. So, making comments and somebody is making comments that what? This. Somebody came and told me that no one is Thursday you are doing it. Then you will let it play water. This thing. You don't get excited and you don't get into it. There is a strong, stubborn, courageous, confident people who will not yield to any of these devils, any individuals, like they can for personally can make a change. Okay, that's what. So they are strong pull, so don't worry, don't be stable. And even if I am telling against it under the realities, and you only told that first to say, also you see that under said, see this way, we should accept that. What are the things or truths? So we can see this all thing to justify through a press conference plan. And then so that nobody should hunt us again. And then laptop is not even done another. First I thought I wanted to kill you, that's the thing. I thought if you are making that just thing I will come and kill you. That was my plan initially. But now see why not this was I got. Naturally everything is to me and I got the correct answers. Don't need to worry. Everybody will be so answer right. Okay, don't worry. See how this is so not how much the people see everything will give us what they will do and then there is properties everything their everything got to us. That's the situation. See, you can do so many things. There are so many ways to do. So be stable, be stable, and you don't get into it. And be courageous, that perfect. That is the thing. They don't take the sticker on the culture of what is that cultural even consider we are entertaining that bathroom. This is the thing again this are not that Salman Good going to post the culture of what is Salman Good this watch of this kind of fellows burn a lake culture of what target just to get out culture of what don't put somebody pricing and there the blind pieces, don't demand with the blind price of prices. Okay?